Hi guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup here. So at first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select accounts and backup. And now click on backup data. And if you wish to activate backup to Google One, all you need to do here is to click on turn on. And that's it. From now on it is active, so your data is safe. And then you can also backup everything right now. Then just click on backup now if you wish to do it. And if you will not click here, your backup will be done over Wi-Fi after it's been in idle and charging for 2 hours. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.